And they're up. Promise draws for your lead, moving up on the outside. Orok Yeta Abateka, bahala na. Running in between runners, one Bahamas. By the rail, Pot's Love, Miss Bling Bling. Also in there, catching the second spot past the 900 meters post. Orok Yeta, Miss Bling Bling, right behind in second. Then running in third is the Gray Galloper, one Bahamas. Running by the rail, bahala na, moving up Abateka. As they rounded a 600, it's Orok Yeta by about 2 lengths. Miss Bling Bling in second. Abateka racing in third is entry number 5, one Bahamas. As they swing to the 450, it's still Orok Yeta leading the field. Miss Bling Bling remains in second. Abateka running by the rail, Pot's Love, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Orok Yeta, Miss Bling Bling moves up to grab the lead. Miss Bling Bling by about 2 lengths, and finally Miss Bling Bling, Pot's Love, Orok Yeta, Abateka, Promise. Then comes one Bahamas, number 2 Victorian Stones.